Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy in 1 month full guide. Start by dividing the syllabus into 4 focused weekly blocks, assign daily topics, and set realistic hourly targets. Combine concise resources, diagram practice, and regular self-testing to track progress. Schedule short, frequent review sessions and 1 full mock exam each weekend. Keep notes minimal, use active recall, and adjust the plan based on weekly performance to maximize retention. Build a daily routine that supports intense, focused study without burnout. Start with quick reviews, dive into a single topic per block using diagrams and concise notes, then test yourself with flashcards or practice questions. Rotate regions to avoid monotony and mix visual study with active recall exercises. Reserve evenings for light review and planning, and treat rest and sleep as essential study tools for memory consolidation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more study guides. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for focus playlists and study timers, seen here in the background. Check the description for the product link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on techniques that give high return on time invested. Redraw anatomical diagrams, narrate structures aloud, and quiz yourself immediately after study sessions. Use spaced repetition for facts like innervation, blood supply, and measurement values. Integrate clinical vignettes to link form and function, and simulate exam conditions for practice questions. These approaches keep study active, build long-term memory, and help you see anatomy in a practical, usable way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.